With Stackby, you can bring data, people, and ideas in a single flexible platform. With a spreadsheet-style interface and a powerful relational database, you can organize and build anything you can imagine, all without writing a single line of code. From individuals to teams, small or big across industries, people are using Stackby to build sales CRMs, task managers, project trackers, inventory databases, content and marketing calendars, custom workflows, and many more. With Stackby, you can import data from Excel or Google Sheets and organize data with the powerful grid. Add rich fields like attachments with previews, buttons, long text, drop-downs, and link to other tables. Create relationships across tables and look up or roll up information from one table to another. Create filtered views, group them, and share it with your team. Not just this, if you're a product manager, you can view your records in Kanban. If you're managing your social media, you can organize your records in a calendar. If you're in real estate, you can display your property listings in a gallery. Need to gather data quickly? With Stackby Forms, create custom forms, send them out or embed them, and watch the responses fill your database instantly. You can even update records using updatable forms. Collaborate seamlessly with your team with real-time chat, checklists, and reminders. And share granular permissions not just on your databases, but also on tables, views, and even columns. With power-ups, you can transform and manipulate your data in different ways, like color formatting your rows, restoring deleted data from the recycle bin, or even finding duplicates in your table. Get a bird's-eye view of your business with custom dashboards. Visualize key metrics with charts, pivot tables, and more. Create custom pages like invoices automatically from your records with Page Designer. Sync tables across databases to connect and collaborate across departments. Let your work run on autopilot. Set up automations to trigger actions, send notifications like emails or WhatsApp, or even update your data. Connect Stackby to thousands of tools, including Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zapier, to automate tasks and streamline all your workflows in no time. Take your work anywhere, browser, desktop, or mobile apps, and never miss a beat. Try Stackby for free and start building today.